PRP is platelet-rich plasma, so we isolate that by drawing tubes of your blood.
Yeah. So when you're talking about scars, obviously the whole buzzword in the industry now is exosomes. So, but the thing is, like everything, not all retin-As are created equal, not all vitamin Cs are created, not all exosomes are created equal.
Sure. So what's an exosome?
Yeah.
Exosomes have been around for a while at this point, and what it is, so it's you take a cell, any given cell pushes out molecules to communicate with other cells. So it has these little microscopic vesicles, these little bubbles of stuff that contain growth factors and other things. So they've isolated 200 plus different communicating molecules within these little vesicles that cells push out. And they can be used for things. But back to your original question of, not all exosomes are created equal. So the ones that we use are from a lab called Chimera Labs. They're kind of the OG exosome guys.
Yeah.
And so what their product is, their exosomes are derived from a lab-grown cell line from originally a single human donor placenta.
Okay.
So it's one person, and you read their literature. It's pre-COVID and pre-vaccine. So it's going back a number of years where this donor placenta came from.
Yeah.
They donated the placenta to a lab, and the stem cells from the placenta have been immortalized in the lab and just maintained in tissue culture. And then by proprietary methods, the lab isolates the exosomes. The exosomes are far more stable than the cells themselves, and really contain what you want from the cells.
Yeah.
Now, these are human from placenta. So there are exosomes out there from bovine sources or from other animal sources where the molecules they're not bioidentical to what your body uses to turn on and off inflammation, to create healing. So those tend to be much cheaper products. Compared to, say, the exosomes that you have floating around in your own body, your 25-year-old exosomes.
Yeah.
So this is the pure stuff from placenta. They have the most potential for growth and the highest concentration of growth factors.
Okay.
So that's what makes them better. And these guys, this is the good stuff. This is what we've seen the best results with. We talk about it like PRP on steroids.
Okay.
So PRP is platelet-rich plasma. So we isolate that by drawing tubes of your blood.
Yeah.
The idea behind exosomes is that it's far more pure, far more potent, and doesn't involve sticking you with needles for the blood draw.